Hola. The topic for our class today is superlative, el superlativo. A superlative statement expresses the highest or the lowest degree of a quality. For example, the most, the greatest, the least, or the worst. Sometimes it's hard for students to decide if they're dealing with comparatives or superlatives. But comparatives is only when you compare two items, and we use superlative when comparing three or more things. In Spanish, we have a little formula when dealing with superlative. Definite article, el, la, los, las, más or menos, adjective plus de. So here we have a very good example. We are comparing appliances. Entre los electrodomésticos. La plancha es el más pequeño de todos. La lavadora y la secadora son los más caros de todos. In English, we need to be careful if you are dealing with a short or a long adjective or adverb. Since if it's short, we need to use a special ending est. For example, the biggest, the tallest, the finest, the prettiest, etc. However, we use the, most of, and the least of for longer adjectives and adverbs. The most delicate of, the most complicated of. Well, in Spanish, you don't need to worry about it. No matter if it's a short adjective or adverb or if it's a long one, we are going to use the same formula. Look at the example. Ana is the smallest of all the students. Ana es la más pequeña de todos los estudiantes. When a noun is used with a superlative, the definite article precedes the noun in Spanish. Mi brillo de labios es el brillo de labios más caro que venden aquí. So in this example, I decided to repeat my noun, although I could just omit the noun since you know what I'm talking about. But since I decided to use my noun, I need to place the article before the noun. If we go back to the previous example, I said, Ana es la más pequeña de todos los estudiantes. In this case, I did not have to say chica because you know we are talking about a girl. So I could omit the noun. But here, in this example, esta es la casa más bonita del barrio. I'm using the noun. So the article goes before the noun. Just like comparatives, in superlatives, we also have irregular. So for bueno or bien, we are going to use an article plus mejor. So it could be el mejor, la mejor, los mejores or las mejores. For malo or mal, we use el peor, la peor, los peores or las peores. For viejo, el mayor, la mayor, los mayores, las mayores. Joven, el menor, la menor, los menores, las menores, depending on what you're comparing. So let's see some examples. Juan es el mejor de mis amigos. La tía Isabel es la mayor de mis tías. In this case, I need to use la mayor because I'm talking about la tía Isabel, which is feminine. Ana es la menor de mis hijas. Well, I hope that was helpful. Please make sure you do página 173, paso 2, y también actividad 5:30 de la misma página 173.